Okay, I guess that's with everybody hearing about Havana syndrome. Anyways, I do a lot of different research for different reasons, just for myself to be screwing off. So, I happen to be reading up on Operation for Project Pandora and Project Bizarre. So I went and I happened to get these documents by, well, you can see what I'm doing, hitting copy. We'll come back to this page. Go down. Similarly there. But just put this in any search bar. I don't know where that came from. Go back here. Now people are like, well, you can just share it to the search bar. Well, that normally doesn't like to work on myself. I don't know why. We'll try it. Not when it comes to this kind of shit. So, the guy here will go type this into, it doesn't matter which browser, pick any browser. Just put Brave on, go to Brave, go to DuckDuckGo. It doesn't matter where you go to Google. Brave. Pandora test. Operational procedure for Pandora. ESD.WHS.MIL. That's what we're looking for right there. It's downloading. The official website for the Executive Services Directorate. Oh, wait, we'll go to that, Operation Bizarre, blah, blah, blah. Okay, what does that say? Review your Freedom of Information Act disclosures for Project Bizarre, a monkey microwave exposure investigation. How long is this? We'll get back to that. That would be bad enough. Okay? You can read that. We want to go for this WHS.MIL site. See, I had on page 449. See, I went here. Now, notice that we got this. Here you go. There's an operational procedure for Project Pandora. Anywhere you want it. It doesn't matter. You can open it with anything. Not my point. My point is, where did we get the file from? Yeah, what was that? The operational procedure for whom, what, where? What is the ESD.WHS.MIL? Well, let's go back over here. It is the Washington Headquarters Services. The WHS.MIL is a government agency. Washington Headquarters is a Department of Defense field activity created on October 1st, 1977 to provide administrative and management support to multiple DoD components and military departments in the National Capital Region and beyond. All that's really here nor there. Go to way back. Type in majestic 12. Let's put a space in there. It's just they want to be that. One, two, three. The Federal Bureau of Investigations. Let's go there. Let's go ahead and download that. Let's take it PDF. Yeah, sure, that's cool. Hey. They got bogus written all over it. Let's find out why. Because it says that at the Dallas office, which communication is classified secret in its entirety, and close is the Bureau is 4 envelopes which contains possible classified documents. On September 15th, 88, United States Air Force Office of Special Investigations, blank, blank, Special Agent blank, received a document from blank, it's all redacted, claims that an individual at the school whom he refuses to name gave it to him, claiming he received it in the mail. Dallas notes that within the last 6 weeks, there have been local publicity regarding Operation Majestic 12, with at least 2 appearances on local radio talk show discussing Majestic 12 operation and the individuals involved. At the government's attempt to keep it all secret, it's unknown if it's a part of a publicity campaign. Known from OSI advises that Operation Blue Book, mentioned in the document, did exist. It did exist. Dallas releases a purported document is over 35 years old, but doesn't know if it has been properly classified. The Bureau is requested to discern if the document is classified or not. So then you see the same documents in here. Bogus, 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 bogus. Okay, they just wrote over there. Now this is in 88. So the FBI doesn't even have any idea if this is bogus or not. They get just from some. They find this in some Air Force colonel's room supposedly in 88. Okay, but if you go to where I just showed, okay, that ends with what? That ends with the FBI saying that they kept a page for a duplicate and destroyed the other. If you read in here where the guy talks, where the agent talks to where he calls and talks, wherever he talks to the liaison from the DOD, it's like you have to kind of set off he was back, or however the way he puts it. It's kind of funny hearing the way that he puts it. Pursuant to the instructions, it should attempt to call. At 12:30, an individual identified himself as blank telephonically called the Salt Lake Buckingham City blank and spoke with the deputy agency blank. Okay, but that's fine. We already know that. Based on a de-representation made to the SSA, which incredibly tended to buttress a portion of the document. So, okay, I don't know what buttress is, what they actually meant by that. You know, they get too technical when they start using them double entendres for me. Buttress, something resembling a buttress, the flared base of a certain tree, a structure, usually brick or stone, built against a wall for support or reinforcement. Huh. I don't know what to say about that. The only thing I know what to say is, damn it, you go here, and if I type in this, then, damn it, first in the line, top send for this, and we download this, which is all about doing microwave testing on monkeys in an antioch chamber across their brain, so, and also doing other EEG tests, the bizarre and stuff like that they didn't get into. But I read this up to 449 because all they're using this for is to get ready to go do more testing on human beings on a fucking ship, on a Navy ship. See here, I come up to 449. Oh look, this can't be authenticated as an official DoD document. What are you talking about? It came out of FOIA. WHS.MIL. Look, DoD FOIA office. It came out of their office. Okay, you get past this because it's 250. The document stops for Project Pandora, and then that's when they get into start talking about human subjects and bioengineering and all kinds of fun stuff. So it's almost, I don't know, it would almost be like they tried to use it twice to keep people from looking at bioengineering and EEG, which because it makes mention of these monkeys going to sleep under life's amount of non-ionized radiation and no thermal reaction. So listen, what would cause a monkey to go to sleep to the point where when the guy's like, well, as I'm writing this, the monkey still hasn't gained consciousness. It's because of something they're fucking with is EEG to see if they can put them out. Anyways, if that's bogus and the FBI didn't even know and they have to claim it, why is it coming straight out of FOIA, right out of the main head, right from the Pentagon and the DOD? Just curious if anybody can answer that for me. And oh yeah, I know, Havana syndrome was all fake. Anybody ever, you know what, just for the hell of it, has anybody ever did this? Check this out. If you ever try to go MIG or 5GMIL, oh, Lockheed Martin. Isn't that nice? We should just went down and see strategic partnerships. Hey, Red Hat, Intel, Microsoft, Verizon. What? You mean the same Verizon? Oh no. Well, let's go to. Oh look, an association, an international. Since when? What's? Huh? About the individuals who have common interest in electromagnetic warfare, electromagnetic spectrum operations, cyber electromagnetic activity, and information operations, and other related capabilities. Well, there you go. Anyways, I was just interested if anybody want to give me a hand. I'll put links in the description. You can go type what I typed in right here. Operational procedure for Project Pandora post-microwave test facility. Or there's the link at the bottom for the actual just PDF if you don't want to have to even touch it. Rather interesting.